In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language in Minimax AI. The neat thing about Minimax is that you don't have to dig through settings or pick from a long drop-down list to change languages. Minimax is multilingual by design. That means it detects the language you use and responds in that same language automatically, similar to how apps like ChatGPT handle language switching. Here's the simple idea. Start your conversation in the language you want, and Minimax will follow your lead. If you say, Hola, hablamos en español, it will answer in Spanish. If you begin with Bonjour, réponds-moi en français, it will continue in French. You can do the same in Chinese, Arabic, German, or many other languages. There isn't a fixed language switch in the interface because the conversation itself is the switch. If you're already chatting and want to change the output language, just write your next message in the new language. Minimax detects that change on the fly and adapts. You don't need to restart the app or open any menus. For example, after a few messages in English, you can type Por favor, continúa en español, and it will continue in Spanish. A short, clear prompt like that is often all you need to steer the conversation. Because Minimax supports dozens of languages, it generally stays consistent once you set the tone. If it ever slips back or mixes languages, simply restate your request in the language you prefer. Keeping your message entirely in that language, including any examples or instructions, helps the model stay on track. You can also begin a new chat with a brief one-line instruction in your target language to set expectations from the start. It's helpful to know that the app's interface language might not change, and that's normal. What you're controlling is the conversation output. Minimax focuses on what you type and mirrors it. This makes switching fast and natural, especially if you alternate languages during a single session. To recap, there's no toggle to find and nothing special to configure. Just start or continue your message in the language you want, and Minimax will reply in that language automatically. If you need it to switch your input and it will adapt. That's all there is to it. Try opening a new chat and greeting Minimax in your preferred language to see it in action.